Hi, aspirants of UPSC and state services exams. I'm very much sure that this session is going to change your life. How? Because today you are going to understand the skills of essay. And as a professor of English literature, I have been teaching not only English literature as a mentor, but as an essay expert past 25 years. So let us study, understand how to brainstorm an essay. To brainstorm the essay, you need to break the essay topic. You just follow the PPTs. What you have to do, you have to just break the essay topic into various subparts and underline the keywords or the dimensions that can be explored. जितने ज्यादा डायमेंशंस आप मार करेंगे उतना अच्छा आप सोच पाएंगे और लिख पाएंगे. Now, let us use an example for it. Thinking it like a game. It does not begin unless there is an opposite team. कभी भी आपने देखा है कि किसी गेम में अकेले आप हो ना? You have to have an opposite team. Now, you need to break that into various subtopics. Like, how is thinking like a game? You need to pause and reflect if you have understood the game implies over here. Games क्या करते हैं? They involve competition, fierce attitudes, rivalry, and many more things. You need to broaden your thinking and expand it in various directions. Basically, open the topic and not keep it tight. The next phrase of the essay topic, it does not begin unless there is an opposite team, implies when there is no opposite idea, when there is no opposite challenge to our brain or to our subconscious mind, thinking does not begin. And when orthodox ideas were not existent, Renaissance never happened. So, duality and challenges breed innovation, breed thinking, and many much more ideas. Thus, you need to first understand the topic, the phrase fully, and your brain, your subconscious should revert to you that yes, you have understood the topic so well. Now, next, you need to brainstorm the essay in dimensions. The first dimension should always be the essay topic, explained in entirety. You need to show the examiner that you have hit the nail in the very first, second, or third page of your essay. Make a separate heading, if needed, on your rough paper as to how you will explain the essay topics. You can use an example to do the same and then wind up in the page number 1 or page number 2. Example, Martin Luther King brought in 95 the cis against the church. And this shows how an opponent or opposing idea is must for breeding new thoughts. Fine. Now, let us see the next. After this, you can keep 4 or 5 other major dimensions once your first dimension is over. You need to think along the lines of number 1, that is why. Number 2, how. You can see here. Why? How? Reasons. Then problems. Then issues. Hiccups. Way forward. Solutions. And last but not least, antithesis, which plays a greater role in giving you good marks in the end. Now, for the above topic, your second dimension can be, why is an important team important for thinking? Some arguments can be because it allows us to challenge the preconceived notions like caste. Periyar and Bama, they are Dalit writers who oppose the caste system. So the opposite team often helps us think in a dialectical manner, much like Socrates' method of thinking and dialogues. Another dimension can be why thinking is crucial for any civilization. The arguments under this can be around how most cities and the ideas of metropolis is based on discourse and discussions of writers, philosophers, etc. The coffee houses in England often had thinking based groups. And if you remember, One very important group is Bloomsbury group that met and discussed sexuality and topics that were tabooed. Another dimension which you can see here, another dimension which can be your second last dimension is how thinking can be nurtured. There are various ways to do that: education, parental guidance, reading books. You need to delve deeper into these sub dimensions and arguments. Now, a very important thing, that is, an antithesis is a must in every essay. Thinking is not necessarily a game always. It can also begin without an opposite team. You need to find examples where this happened without an opposite team. Sometimes thinking happens by just a random life experience, like Wordsworth seeing beautiful daffodils and writing about them in his journal. Thus, the key to brainstorming is opening the topic as much as possible. A minimum of 20 minutes is needed to brainstorm a good essay. Anything less than that is actually injustice to the paper. And my dear UPSC and PCS aspirants of essay, with my immense guidance in this field, I would always suggest that mentorship and excellence in guidance is important for you to excel if you want to get 120, 130, 140, 150 marks, which will be very, very important to qualify such examinations in the total. And to get such marks, you need to improve your dimensions. And the dimensions are such that your mind has to be built up accordingly. The dimensions can move toward the psychological things, social things, economical things, religious things, AI, technology, literature, Indian writers, theories, thinkers, folklore, Upanishads, Mahabharata, Ramayana, British literature, Shakespeare, Wordsworth, Albert Camus, and innumerable of them. So my guidance to my students all over India is very different because I check the essay copies in the micro format. As you can see via my Telegram channel, you will find I keep on sending some scripts which I am checking daily of my students. And apart from that checking, I also am sharing the script. And that script is for you to improve the dimensions, that this can be written in the non-pestle format like this. So for example, you are doing a bunch of essays under my guidance. So after completing, you have lot many dimensions to work upon when you are giving the original exam in the original essay, because then your subconscious will be throwing a lot of things because you have already been mentored under my guidance. So this is the change which you can feel, which already many of my students have done in the past years, and they have qualified the IAS rank, IPS rank, IRS rank. And this was only because of the essay marks, which made them qualify with the total in the mains as well as the interview. So if you want to be the next in the UPSC or state services exams and essay आपका minus point नहीं होना चाहिए, then connect with me on my Telegram channel, जिसका link नीचे दिया हुआ है, and even you can connect me directly on my WhatsApp number for all the guidance, because n number of aspirants all India, they're already doing a good work, a great work, and a hard laborious work, and they are now very much satisfied, which they could not in the earlier exams by getting 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, and they could not get through. So best wishes, and I hope that with my guidance, with my experience, you will also be a winner. Thank you.